Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Rudy here with your yard service. In today's video, we are talking about improving your property's curb appeal. Literally, one of the most dramatic ways on getting the wow factor is when you give your lawn a nice straight edge along the city sidewalk and driveway. Sure, if you know how to use your string trimmer as an edging tool, you know what I'm talking about. However, if your lawn has grown over the concrete edges for quite some time, you may want to watch a bit closer now. We are live on location here in Edmonton and we are doing power edging. And this lawn needs to be edged. I'm going to show you how it looks right now and I'm going to take you along power edging it. And then of course you're going to see the difference. So it only takes a few minutes to take a property from 0 to hero in your neighborhood. So strap yourself in and we're gonna run the power edger right now. So power edging is all you may need for your property to make a difference for curb appeal. If you have any questions, give me a call, 780-218-8134, or check out our website, euroyardservice.com, and I will see you in the yard, the home improvement yard.